Hello everyone, this is Jalia from Integral Management Systems. Today I'm going to walk through the purchase process in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Starting with creating a new purchase code, navigate into Purchasing module, selecting Purchase code, also known as Purchase Requisition, selecting the vendor name, moving to Item line. I will enter an item and moving to Location code, we'll select the location and enter the quantity. Now let's go to our inventory and see what is the current status of this item. There is no stock available currently, and let's move back to our purchase code and I'm going to convert it to an order. I'll click on make order. Now our purchase order has been created and ready to send to our vendor. Let's have a look. I'm going to print it on the screen. This is our purchase order, and now I'm going to receive an invoice partial quantity from this purchase order. I will move to quantity to receive and enter it as 2, and the quantity to invoice is automatically taking it from the received quantity. And I will move back to vendor invoice number. This is a mandatory field. We need to enter our vendor invoice number 10010, and I'll go back to home tab and post the document. Here you have a couple of options. If you receive the posted purchase receipt will be created, and if you receive an invoice, both the purchase receipt and posted purchase invoice will be created. I'll go for the option 2. Now let's move back to our item card and refresh and see what other changes has happened. Yep, the inventory level has increased to 2, and now I will move back to the purchase order again. This time I will only receive the balance quantity without invoicing. So I'll go back to post and only receive. Now the quantity received is 5 and quantity invoice 2. So we have 3 quantities to invoice. So I will go to purchase invoice from global search and select it from the purchase invoice list and create a new purchase invoice, selecting the same vendor, and I will enter the vendor invoice number. And moving to item line, you can enter it manually. The best practice is to go to line tab and functions, get receipt lines. I'm selecting this line so the receipt will be copied to our invoice. Now we are ready to post this document. I will post it. Now our posted purchase invoice has been created. Let's move to our item inventory again and refresh it. Now we have received the whole quantity. Let's go to the item card and move to related tab, history and item ledger entries. So you can see there are 2 purchase receipts have been recorded for 2 and 3 quantities, and also we can go to vendor card and see what are the vendor ledger entries. Vendor card and move to vendor tab and ledger entries. So you can see on the top there are 2 invoices have been recorded according to our transaction made. That's what I have today, and thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.